Audio Jungle.
Come on. Right, yes people, I hope you all are having a lovely evening. Today, I'm doing something a little bit different. I thought I would do a POV drive on my way home from work because there's not much content to do this time of the year. Obviously the weather is absolutely horrible, so I don't really want to be out, and we can't really do many mods in this weather, so I thought we'd do a little POV driving from home. Obviously I finish around 5, half 5, and by then it's pitch black, so this will be a nighttime POV drive, but I thought, you know, we'll jump on it because we'll have a little chat, have a little catch up on the channel. Obviously this is going to be the first time I've uploaded on a Wednesday. Obviously normally I upload on a Sunday, but the new schedule is Sunday at 7 PM and also Sunday 7 PM and then every Wednesday at 7 PM as well. So this is the new schedule. We can't boot the car yet because it's still cold. I have literally only just left work, so you know, got to leave the car a little bit, let it warm up a little bit. But yeah, we are in the Sevenoaks region. I'm not going to say exactly where, obviously. Not that I'm bothered anyway, but yeah, Sevenoaks region is where I work, around Sevenoaks. So I just make sure the camera's on. But yeah, we're around the Sevenoaks area. And I've also got the GoPro on a different lens type this time. Normally I have it on super view, but I've put it on one closer. So it's just on the wide view, not super view. And I'm just hoping it's a little bit better because I feel like in super view it really like zooms out and you can't really see much. So let me know if this is better. If not, then I'll go back to super view, and if it's that bad then I probably won't even publish this video, but yeah, we'll have a look. But yeah, so just a little POV drive on my way home. This junction is the worst junction to ever exist today, bro. But yeah, it was more just a little chat, you know, just a little catch up. We're just chilling today, you know, driving home, and I just thought it'd be a good time to have a little catch up with life. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all good watching this video. I know a lot of you probably watch the videos quite frequently, and obviously thank you for the support on the channel, etc. So in terms of what we have coming up for the car, we're going full on stage 2, proper stage 2. So I actually have red coil packs, upgraded red coil packs from High on Boost. So M, I don't know if you heard M, but M of Cars, I think that's his channel. He actually owns his own company called High on Boost, and he does coil packs. So yeah, go and hit him up. I'll leave my code on the screen and also link in the description. I will be fitting them, and then we've also obviously need to get the intercooler fitted, but I have booked the intercooler in for the 17th of January, so that is going down. We're having that fitted at MD Autobahn. Big up MD Autobahn every time. They're going to do a service on my car as well, so you know how we do. So yeah, intercooler fitted next month, new upgraded core packs this month. We've already done the spark plugs to the colder plugs from NGK. I might go to the racing plugs next once we've done the intercooler. We'll see. Obviously we've done the intake, we've done the inlet pipe. We've also upgraded the brakes a little bit. I know we haven't done the biggest upgrade, but they're good enough for me. If I go stage 3, or before I go stage 3, I will of course do the 6 pots probably, or at least proper 4 pots. But for now, they're good. We've got EBC pads on them with some upgraded vented discs, and then on the rear it's just standard Brembo. So I'm happy with it. The car is fine. I don't need to go all out with, you know, big weird discs and pads yet. Like there's no point. EBC Golf R size, because we have actually converted the brakes to the Golf R. So we've got the Golf R 340. It's 340, is it 350? No, 340mm discs on the front, with the EBC bigger pads obviously for the Golf R. So yeah, no, they're very good, and we got racing blade fluid and braided hell lines on the front as well. So she's good. She's a good little smoker for now anyway. Obviously we're on B14 coilovers as well. Shout out MD Autobahn for fitting them. So the car at the minute, I'm pretty happy with it. I don't want to go again, I don't want to go too much because there's a lot you can do and you just get lost. Because at some point I obviously want to get rid of this and get a new car, which is probably going to be a Mark 8 of some sort like that. I'm not too sure. Mark 8R, stage 2, they're 450 brake. Like, well, there's less talk, more action. 450 brake on a stage 2 Golf R Mark 8 is gone. I don't care. That car is gone. So that's what I'm aiming towards. My goal for next year and the year after is a Mark 8 Golf R. But yeah, for now I'm happy. I love this car to pieces. As a lot of you probably know, this car's sick. There's nothing I would diss about this car. You know, she's a good little smoker. Obviously on here we've got our performance gauge from Integrated Engineering on the iPhone. Again, another reason why you guys need to go with Integrated Engineering. The map has been perfect. The burbles are perfect. The car isn't acting weird or anything like that. The DSG map is perfect. The launch, you can set the launch control on what RPM you want, and again, look at you get the display all on the app, and you can mess around with it. It's just a good little package for me personally. I know again they're not in the UK, so it is a bit different if you have a problem and you have to diagnose it. But the other good thing they do with that is that you do get free stock maps with it, so you can put your car back to stock whenever you want. There's no debate about it. Your car can go back to stock whenever you want, and you don't have to pay to put the stock map back on the car, which again is another good thing about it. So if you want to hit them up, go and get their intakes or something like that, make sure to use my code. It'll be on the screen or the link in the description, because I highly rate Integrated Engineering, and they're a bit of a low-key brand. Like, they're not massive, but they're massive in America, don't get me wrong, but in the UK they're just getting there. So let's put her in sport mode and turn traction off, because who drives with traction on, bro? Like, come on now, who drives with traction on? But yeah, she's all right. She sounds all right, man. Yeah, she's a little smoker boy. She's all right. She's all right. I love this car, man. This car is sick. I don't care. Oh, it just, honestly, for a flash map that isn't obviously it's not a custom dynoed map. Well, it is, but it's put on a lot. Obviously, this is the same map that everyone's got from Integrated Engineering, but it's just crazy how good this map is, even though it's not fully custom just to my car, but it just pulls so well, and there's no problem. It's crazy. Integrated Engineering are just crazy. Like, I'm sorry, but they're just sick. Like, there's nothing to say about them. Do you get me? They're just they're good at what they do. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, nah, big shout out to Integrated Engineering. Of course, I wouldn't choose anyone else for maps, mods, and anything else. So go and hit them up. Yeah, just go hit them up. What is going on here? Why is this person just standing here? Like, you know you can walk. You know you can walk, mate. You know you can walk. Why are you not going? What is going on? Why are you not going, huh? Why are you not going? But yeah, I'm loving the car. I'm also, let me know in the comments if you got this far. Make sure you're subscribed as well. If you want to see a POV drive and an A35 AMG, I might be able to pull one off. So if you want to see me drive an A35 and stig it a little bit, let me know. We can go for stigging in an A35. I think that would be quite a cool video. Yeah, just stigging around in an A35. So yeah, just let me know. I literally love A35s. I think they're good little cars. Don't get me wrong, they're not the most reliable all the time, but I know they're pretty good cars. I mean, not all cars are always going to be reliable, but they're certainly not the worst car. And I also might have a video coming with Calvin as well. Why you got your full beam on? I should have a video with Calvin Car Diary. Again, big up Calvin. I love him so much. But yeah, we should have a video coming with Calvin in the coming weeks or a month or so on his new M3 Touring that he's just brought. So well done to him, because he's an absolute grafter. But yeah, he's just brought an M3 Touring, so fair play, and we should be doing a video on that very soon. I need to get my arse in gear and actually make it happen, because I keep forgetting not to message him and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna get that happen. We're gonna make that needs to happen. There's no way that could not happen. So yeah, we're almost on the motorway, which is probably where I'm gonna end it, because you guys are not gonna want to see a motorway drive. Honestly, it's so boring. There's no point you watching the video on motorway drives. But oh my god, I'm trying to diss the potholes, but then you go into another one, and yeah, it's not fun. And the only thing I would say about the EBCs is they are quite squeaky when you brake, and you can feel it. It's quite, you get that annoying noise. But apart from that, they're good pads. They're good pads. They don't eat the pad disc too much either. Like EBC Reds, they eat the pad like hell. Eat the disc like hell, so you don't really want that. But no, these honestly, these are good. So yeah, I mean, there's not much to say now. Just a little catch up with you guys, and just telling you, the new rotor for YouTube. And again, a little drive home from work. I'm not that far now. I just got to jump on the motorway, and then I get off at Maidstone and I'm home. So there's not much more to see. There is a little tunnel here, so I'll end it here. We might as well just end it on a high. Yes, go on, pull out so I get a clean run. But yeah, there's a little tunnel here, so we'll give it a little boot. Oh mate, this car is so aggressive, it is actually dirty. But yes people, hope you have enjoyed this video. I guess it's a bit of a weird one. I don't normally do this type of content, especially in the week, but yeah, I'm getting back on the graph, and also I'm getting back in the gym. We're gonna lose that weight, because F depression, you get me? F depression, that is the hashtag. F depression. Depression is what hurts you and makes you feel down, and that's what I went through at the start of this year, and I'm not letting it kill me for the end of the year. So we're gonna get pressed through F depression. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you are subscribed. Let's get to 20k by the end of next year, and in 2025 let's get to 20k. I want to get to 30k. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you want to see some more content like this, and if you enjoy the angle. And I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.
Audio Jungle.